Hi, welcome to my alarm clock presentation. This is a C# project that is currently in beta. Right now it has 3 features: multiple and simultaneous alarms, customizable sound for each alarm, and it can support 3 saved data types. Here you can see the multiple alarms. You can have as many as you'd like, there is no limit. Here you can see the customizable sound. You can customize it by clicking on this button right here. Here's a TXT save file. Here's a XML save file. And this is the object serialization save file. It uses the customize.ame extension. This is the contact information. And in a moment I'll be pulling up the actual alarm clock. Okay, so this is the actual alarm clock. We're going to start by adding a few alarms. I'm going to customize them. Okay, we'll go grab our own custom sound. And then we're going to save it. And close all that, and then we're going to open it. Open our default save, and then everything's now back. So now let's actually play the alarms. Okay, so that's the default sound that comes with the alarm clock. And there's the custom sound. And that's it for this alarm clock. It's pretty simple, works appropriately, and thanks for watching.